So the error suggests that the system or the program, it cannot find the files specified. That's really interesting because at one point we were able to find all of the files. In fact, we printed out all of the file names. Okay, let's continue to read the error. It says that the error is in line 9 and is happening around os.rename. This makes me wonder if the program is actually looking at the right folder when it's trying to rename the files. So going back to our program, I know there is this function called os.getCwd. CWD stands for current working directory. Let me save that in a variable and print it. And I will comment everything else out for the time being. Let me save and run. It seems that the program's current working directory is this folder called OOP, which resides in the C drive. And if I go back to my program, I know that my files or my photos are inside this folder called prank, which is inside OOP, which resides in the C drive. No wonder the program can't find any of the files. It's looking inside OOP, meanwhile all of the files are inside prank. To fix this, I can use the change directory function. And with this function, I can ask the program to look at the folder where my files actually reside, which is this folder right here. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it here. And then let me uncomment some of the lines I had commented out before. Towards the end of the function, I will change the path back to how I found it. Let me save and run the program one more time. The program didn't quite throw an error this time. But now I want to check to see if the files have actually been renamed. So here we are back at our folder, and you'll notice that the names of the files don't have any numbers anymore. They've been renamed. And if I zoom out a little bit, you'll notice that the photos will reveal a secret message, which is that the keys are in the closet behind the shoebox. All right, it seemed like our program worked. Now, before we finish this project, my final recommendation in terms of improving it is to add a print statement each time we change the name of a file. So here I am printing the old name of the file, and here is its new name.